Hello friends, welcome to Code Crush Coding. In this video, we are going to talk about ordered list in HTML. So basically there are three type of list in HTML: unordered list, ordered list and description list. So we will cover ordered list in this video. An ordered list starts with OL tag. OL stands for ordered list. Each list item starts with the li tag. So the data that you want to represent on the browser should be enclosed in the li tag. We can nest ordered list. So ordered list can also be nested. As we have seen in the last video, we have nested the unordered list. Ordered list is generally used where you want to represent the data in some specific order, like we don't want to interfere in the order, so it will be a fixed order. So in that case you can use ordered list. So this is the syntax of ordered list. So you need to enclose all your code in the OL tag. So OL stands for ordered list, and here you can represent the data in the list tag. So output of this code will be, see, you will get a specific order like first, second and third. Your data will be represented into that format. So let's check in the code. So this is our ordered list.html file. So here, as we have seen in the theory, we need to provide the OL tag, OL. So this is our ordered list, and here we need to provide the list items. Let's say li maths, second list data item science, third list data item English. Let's save this, open in browser. Let me increase the font. See, now we are getting the output in the form of like ordered list, first, second and third. So this is the default order. You can also change the order here. So let me show you that also. So that can be done with the help of attribute called type. In ordered list you need to provide the attribute type. So it will be accept data in the form of key value pair. So type you have provided, here you need to provide how the data you wanted. So let's say if there are basically four types in which you can provide the value to the type. First one is in the form of a number, second one is in the form of the letters, capital letters, small letters and I for the Roman number. So let's say we will check these all four one by one. So let's say I get the type in capital letters A, save this, refresh. See, I'm getting in the capital letters ABC, which is also an ordered. So let's say if I provide A in lowercase, save this, refresh the browser. See, now it is getting printed in lowercase. Another one was in Roman. Say I, save. See, now it is getting printed in Roman numbers, first, second and third. What if I print this in capital letters? See, it is also getting printed in uppercase. So that is the use of ordered list. We can also nest this ordered list. I suppose in science I want to print, science can be categorized into two sections, say physics, chemistry. So I can provide another ordered list. So let's say I want to print that let's first check ordered list only. So ordered list, here you need to provide the data li. Let's say I want to print physics, another one will be chemistry, save this, refresh the browser. So see, the first ordered list type we have provided. So data items of those lists are represented in Roman number, and the ordered list that we have provided in science one, it is taking the default type which is in the form of numbers. So that is physics and chemistry. Also in You can also nest unordered list, like suppose I want to print an ordered list here which start with ul. So this is an ordered list, and here I provide the data li, let's say algebra and geometry. Let's save this. See, so this is the ordered list, first ordered list, math, science, English. So this is the ordered list which is nested in the science, physics, chemistry, and this is the unordered list which is being nested in the first item of unordered list, algebra and geometry. So in this way you can do the nested list also. You can change the type also. The type will be applied to that particular items of that particular list only, and the other will get the default. If you provide the type here, so that type will be taken for that particular list items. Let's say I want to get the small letters, Control S. Yeah, so this was the application for the ordered list. That's it for this video. We will cover next topic in another video. Thanks.